Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Spider-Man on VR. While a full official game is not widely available, several fantastic experiences let you swing through virtual cities. We will explore the different ways you can step into the iconic suit, from fan-made creations to movie tie-ins. Get ready to learn about the platforms, setup, and gameplay that will transform you into your friendly neighborhood hero. While official Spider-Man VR games like Homecoming and Far From Home were limited, many excellent alternatives exist. Games such as Untangled and Battle Glide provide robust web-swinging mechanics and combat. Project Demigod lets you build a hero with web-based abilities, and VR Chat hosts creative Spider-Man-themed worlds for you to explore. These experiences are often available on popular VR platforms. To begin your Spider-Man VR adventure, you will need a compatible VR headset. Meta Quest devices are a popular choice for many fan-made and indie titles, offering standalone freedom. For more graphically intensive experiences, a PC VR setup with an Oculus Rift or Steam VR headset might be preferred. Always ensure you have at least a 6-foot by 6-foot clear play area to safely enjoy the dynamic web-slinging and combat. Mastering web-slinging is key to feeling like Spider-Man. Most games use motion controllers where you reach out and pull back to shoot webs, mimicking the hero's iconic moves. Practice your aim and timing to swing seamlessly through the urban landscape. Combat often involves physical punches, dodges, and deploying web grenades or rapid-fire web bursts. Embrace the fluid movements to truly immerse yourself in the role of a superhero.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.